Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorial UFI. In this tutorial episode, we will be learning how to add text to a design in Canva. If you are looking for a way to add text on Canva, launch open the Canva application on your mobile device, or you can also visit canva.com on your web browser and log into your account. Now, open up an existing design or create a new design that you want to add the text on. You can open up your existing design by tapping on the Recent Design category. Choose the design that you want to edit from the list. After selecting a recent design, you will come across this page where you will be able to see multiple editing options at the bottom of the screen. Click on the text option at the bottom, and then you can choose from options like add a heading, add a subheading, or add a little bit of a body text option. Select any text box you'd like to add, and once you do that, you will be able to see a text layer on the preview section. Tap on the text on the screen and you will be able to see that you can move the text by dragging the little arrow corner at the bottom of your text layer. Now, you can also resize your text by dragging from this corner at the top. Tap on the text layer again in order to add a text. Type down your content in the text box, and then you will be able to see the text that you've typed in appearing in the preview section. You can also tap on a little loop kind of an icon and reposition your text in your desired style. After placing your text layer in the desired position, you can go ahead and change the font, text styles, font sizes, color of your text, text formats, etc. using the tools provided at the bottom. You can also adjust alignments, letter spacing, and line height using the toolbar options. After making necessary adjustments for your text, you can then go ahead and tap on the little arrow button at the top right corner. Now you can go ahead and download your design by tapping the download button from the pop-up menu. Select your download file type, the quality of your design. After selecting the settings, tap on the download button to save your design to your device. You can also directly share your design with other friends using social media applications or share their link directly to your friends. That is how you easily add text on Canva. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.